Pull that up because we're going.
College and TD Bank, and of course all of our incredible partners that make the Mabuhay Basketball incredible.
So we're starting to hear musical instruments come alive here on the stage. I think we're moments away.
Well, while they do that, who here is excited for our headliner tonight? We have Rachel Alejandro all the way from Manila, Philippines joining us today. Are you guys excited? Who's excited for the Frances Leveron fashion show this evening? I know we are excited and we hope you are. We hope you stay throughout the rest of the afternoon.
Bro.
And make sure you take visit every sweat. There's so much to see. There's tons to see, tons to do, tons to eat. Here at 27.
Make sure you come back to the movement and
2 full days. We have the audience did it almost a decade. Giving the audience a unique, good vibes, fun, and entertaining performance. Composed of Aries on lead guitar, Aaron on bass, Lord on keyboard, and Ruben on drums. Raphael and Gracie on vocals. These young, vibrant, talented musicians create perfect rhythm and outstanding sound. So please give a warm welcome to the festival stage. Team Execute and Friends.
Jamming lang, jamming. Thank you, PICC.
Tanong mo sa akin kung sino ang aking mahal. Hi, madam! Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko di magtatagal. Ang ganda dito, ah! Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Oy, wow! Parang may nag-iho ng barbecue dito. Barbecue ba yun? Isa lang ang damdamin, ikaw ang aking mahal. Maniwala ka sana, sa akin ay walang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Hi dito, hello. Dito, hello. Ay, dito naman, hi! Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman.
Not really.
Sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit saan pa man, ang aking sisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Thank you so much. You know this song. Baka alam yung kanta-kantay niya, lalapit ako sa'yo. Gusto pa ba harap niya? You know it. Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba tong mukhang ako? Nagkandara pa sa pagkanta at nasisintunado sa baba. Jamming, jamming. Meron pa dalang mga rosas. At nariyan pa ang barkada, nakapoman ang kabaro sa awiting daigpang, may muswan at sing along. Everybody now! Noon langit ng bituin at kay lumipad ang hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin ko ito. Sana'y maibigan mo, ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana. Para sa'yo, yun, para sa'yo, kita. Ganda ng hat mo. Arbot. Di ba't parang isang sining maniwala ka, ngunit kahit ano ba sabihin nila, iwanan siya hindi ko magagawa. Iwanan siya hindi ko magagawa. Iwanan siya hindi ko magagawa. Thank you.
All right, Mr. John Gabriel.
John Gabriel, guys. John Gabriel, what's my name? John? Mabuhay.
Let's give it up for John Gabriel. Thank you so much for that amazing performance. Kamusta naman lahat? Mabuhay naman? Oh, I'm so glad to hear that you're all having fun. Grabe, talaga naman, ang dami natin mga amazing performances today. Pero hindi pa tapos yan because today is just the beginning. Meron pa tayo tomorrow. We have a lot of amazing events tomorrow. So, tomorrow, we have a lot of surprises. I'd like to invite you for our parade and our Santa Cruzan tomorrow at 11 a.m. So, if you are free tomorrow, come and People of the Nation Field of Spirit, brought to you by PIDC. So, tomorrow is the parade in Santa Cruzan at 11 a.m. The assembly